Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math channel. Today we are gonna learn how to divide any number by 10. In this regard, we must know some facts about the division by 10. When we come to divide any number by 10, we must look at the units digit. If the dividend ends with a 0, here we can reach the quotient so easily. On the other hand, if we have a number and this number is divided by 10, but the dividend does not end with 0, how can we reach the quotient easily? Let's look at the first case, in which the dividend ends with 0 and the divisor is 10. How can we reach the quotient so easily in this case? If the dividend ends with 0 and the divisor is 10, we do one step in order to reach the quotient. What is this step? We delete this 0 and write the remaining digit. So we delete the units 0 and write the remaining digit. In this case, we delete 1 0, then we have 3. So 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Here 400 divided by 10, we delete the units 0, so the remaining digits are 40. So 40 is the quotient here. 350 divided by 0, we delete the units 0, and the remaining digits are 35, 35. So 35 is the quotient of 350 divided by 10. 4,600 divided by 10, we delete the units 0 and take the remaining digits, 460. So 460 is the quotient of 4,600 divided by 10. Excuse me. 7,300, we delete the units 0 and take the remaining digits. So we take 730. That 730 is the quotient of 7,300 divided by 10. This is the first case. What about the other case, in which the dividend does not end with 0 and the divisor is 10? How can we reach the quotient so easily? In this case, the quotient will be in the form of a decimal number. Okay? Here we do one step. What is the step? We take the dividend and write it as it is. But we must count one digit from the right side, then we put a decimal point. So 352 divided by 10 equals 35.2. 564 divided by 10. Okay, as we see, the dividend does not end with 0 and the divisor is 10. So in this case, we take the dividend and write it as it is. So we write 564. The step which we must apply here is that we count one digit from the right side, then we put a decimal point. So 56.4 is the quotient of 564 divided by 10. 788 divided by 10. The dividend here does not end with 0 and the divisor is 10. So we take the dividend and write it as it is. The step which we must apply here is that we count one digit from the right side, then we put a decimal point. So 78.8 is the quotient of 788 divided by 10. 9,426 divided by 10. As we see here, the dividend does not end with 0, and the divisor is 10. So in this case, we take the dividend and write it as it is. So we write 9, 4, 2, 6. The step which we must apply is that we count one digit from the right side, then we put a decimal point. So 942.6 is the quotient of 9,426 divided by 10. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye.